I'm Katherine Muller. I'm a rising senior at Harvey Mudd College, and I'm doing research on atmospheric chemistry in Professor Hawkins' lab. In Professor Hawkins' lab, we focus on brown carbon atmospheric aerosols, which are particles that absorb light and contribute to the heating and cooling of the atmosphere in ways that aren't well understood. What we're looking at in the Hawkins lab is to try and understand how these particles absorb light and how they seed clouds and figure out how much they contribute to the global energy budget. What we look at is using a number of pathways to analyze these particles. We take in samples from an inlet, and then we can transfer them to liquid samples and use that to study their absorption properties. What I'm looking at this summer is a specific class of compounds called nitrophenols. Nitrophenols are formed in urban atmospheres like Los Angeles air, and they're not only toxic, but they may contribute more than most other particles to the absorbing and heating effects of atmospheric aerosols. What I'm hoping to do is use mass spectrometry to track aerosols over a long period of time and figure out how much nitrophenol is in it. Mass spectrometry takes a very small droplet of sample, charges it, and causes the molecules to form ions. And since each molecule forms a specific pattern of ions, we can track exactly how much nitrophenol there is and find out how much that's contributing to the increased amount of absorbance we see in urban atmospheres such as LA, and trying to figure out how much it contributes to the changing of the climate and to human health.